Welcome back to Gyan Amrit Coaching. News headlines for a school morning assembly. First from national news. PM urges voters to vote for anyone but do vote. PM Narendra Modi urges voters to vote for anyone but do vote for the future of the country. The first phase of the 18th Lok Sabha election witnessed 65.5% turnout against the 69% turnout in 2019. Watershed moment for India, says Chief Justice of India on new criminal laws. The new criminal laws, भारतीय न्याय संहिता, भारतीय नागरिक सुरक्षा संहिता, भारतीय साक्ष्य अधिनियम, signify a watershed moment for our society and have transitioned India's legal framework on criminal justice into the new age, Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud said on Saturday. International news. Erdogan meets Hamas leader, discussed peace. Turkish President Tayyip Erdogan discussed with Hamas leader efforts to de-escalate tension and establish a lasting peace there. In both leaders also discussed on reaching out of humanitarian aid to the people of Gaza. US House approved $95 billion and aid package for Ukraine, Israel and Taiwan. The US House of Representatives approved the decision over a bitter objection from the Republican hardliners. Thank you.